Things you'll be needing for this are turmeric powder, measuring utensils, and a container. We're going to start by placing our turmeric into the container. The amount may vary depending on if you're just going to use it for one time or you want to have a little bit later to store. Now we're going to add a little bit of water. Not too much. You want to make sure you have a nice thick paste and it's not too runny. Now we're going to stir until it's well blended. Mine was a little bit runny, so I did actually go back and add more turmeric. Perfect. This is the ideal texture you guys are going to want. It's nice, fairly thick and smooth, which makes it perfect to coat the tooth. So the beautiful, natural, pain-relieving properties of turmeric can begin to work its magic. Allow to sit for 5 to 10 minutes, then you can rinse. I usually don't. It's a natural spice and it does no harm. So if you want, you can just drink a glass of water after 5 to 10 minutes is up, just so the turmeric isn't sitting on your tooth because it can stain. You guys will start to feel the pain begin to fade fairly fast, and guess what? You didn't have to take a pill to achieve that. This is great for kids and adults. I mean, all ages. This is great and this is natural. Like, comment, subscribe.